This video is for all level 3 and 4s who are in the finale and having trouble with the turn and tip shoulder technique. I just want to walk this out for you. I want you to note that in this position, turnout is almost negligible. It doesn't really need to be focused on. So if you're fighting for your turnout at the expense of your shoulders, don't do that. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and point this toe pretty close to straight at the wing. You're going to let this knee point pretty close to straight at the audience, which would put you in 90-degree turnout. So you would be here, toes pointed at the wing in the audience, the utendu not behind you, but beside you. So we go directly to the side. This is neither side nor back. It's right in the middle. And the knees again point at the wings and the audience. Then you plie the knee over the toe, and we are ready to start the shoulder tip. So you're going to twist at the waist until your sternum is pointing at the wing. Okay, then you're going to turn your chin, keeping it high, not low. High, you're going to turn that so it's over your shoulder. Then we're going to keep the chin and the shoulders still in relation to each other. So we're not dipping, we're not raising, okay? We're going to tip straight over like that. This arm will naturally not have anything to do except for come to beast mode. And then this arm goes down into its position. Let's do that once facing you. I'm going to do it this direction. So we're here, we plie, we twist so the sternum points at the wing. Then we lower the shoulder. Okay, see how there's still room here? We haven't raised anything. We have not raised or stooped anything. Okay, this is what I'm getting sometimes is this position. Okay, this is what I want. Now, directly from the front, you can't see my beast arm back here. Okay, you can't see it, that's fine. Much of the audience will see you from right here. See how cool that looks? So that's why you want to make sure your arm is looking cool in the back, but you don't need to be seeing it in the mirror. Thanks, girls.